Hey friends, today I'm making a cocktail inspired by one of my favorite plants, probably one of my absolute favorite plants, and that is the fiddle leaf fig. Now, I call my first fig Frank. I've called my second fig Treesus. Now this cocktail is actually called the Notorious F.I.G, a fig and rye cocktail. So the first thing we need to do is you need to put ice in the shaker. Make sure you fill it up with ice because you wanna make sure the drink is cold, right? So you're gonna fill it up with ice. I think this is a nice summer into fall cocktail, perfectly refreshing, so nice, so good. So the first thing you're gonna do is add some goodness. You're gonna add at least 2 ounces of rye to every cocktail. Nice and easy, slow and steady, kind of like when I water my plants. Next thing you do is add your ½ ounce of Campari. Then you're gonna add a tablespoon of fig preserves. I mean, it's real sticky, so who knows how much you're adding in there. A good dollop, right? Good sized dollop. Dollop's a funny word. And place it in there. That's next. Then you're gonna take a lemon. You're gonna cut your lemon in half because you're gonna wanna add a ½ ounce of lemon. Then you're gonna add 2 dashes of bitters. Boom, boom. That's the dash. The drips are as many as there are gonna be. It's the dash movement. Boom, boom. 2 of those. Then you're going to shake it up. What's your shake face? I don't know what mine looks like, but I wonder what yours looks like. There we go. All right. After you shake it, you're gonna double strain it here. So you're gonna need 2 strainers. Now watch the magic. Oh, look at it. Look at that foam. Look at that color. So nice, so perfect, so beautiful. To garnish, I'm gonna take a nice slice of lemon. Beautiful. And then you're gonna garnish with a ½ moon or lemon slice. Then you're gonna take a sprig of thyme, just like so. And there you have it. The Notorious F.I.G, a fig and rye cocktail. Looks beautiful, let's see how it tastes. Oh man, almost as good as my love for the fiddle leaf fig itself. It's so spectacular, so flavorful. That lemon, that thyme, I'm loving it. The fig is probably the best sweetener to a drink I think I've had. This is clutch. So there you have it. The Notorious F.I.G, a fig and rye cocktail. I love it, I'm sure you'll love it. The full recipe will be linked in the comments, so if you try it, please let me know, and please subscribe. Stay safe, and of course, stay wild. So good. God, that flavor is just perfect. Really into this cocktail. Man, maybe we should just do nothing but make cocktails all the time. This is like so good.